Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you love playing Roblox, you know Robux is super important to buy cool items, upgrade your avatar, and have more fun. In this video, we're going to show you two simple methods to get infinite Robux step by step. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tips can help you get closer to having all the Robux you need. So stick around and watch till the end. To get infinite Robux on Roblox, the first thing you need to do is visit this website called Blox Forge. You will find the link to this website in the description. Once you open the website, you will see many options. From these options, you need to click on Robux. As soon as you click on Robux, an interface will appear where you need to enter your Roblox User ID. If you don't know your Roblox User ID, simply go to roblox.com, click on the three dots, and then select your profile icon button. You will see a number in URL box. Copy this number. This is your user ID. Now go back to the same website and paste your user ID there. As soon as you paste the ID, click on Continue. After clicking on Continue, the system will take a few seconds to search. Once the search is complete, you will see a message that says User Found. You will then be asked how many Robux you want to receive. I already told you that you can get unlimited Robux. You can use this method once, and after receiving Robux, you can use this method again. This way, you can get infinite Robux. Select the amount of Robux you want to receive. Here, I am selecting 1 million Robux and clicking on Continue. As soon as we click on Continue, the processing starts and you will see a message that says API connecting. You need to wait until the connection is complete. Once it is connected, your username will appear and the server status will show as ready. Now you need to click on I'm not a robot. Look, I am clicking here. After that, you will see some tasks. It says, please take a few minutes to complete the verification process. It keeps our servers safe from any malicious attacks. Complete 2 tasks from the list below. To pass the bot check, all tasks listed are free, safe, and easy to complete. Then you will see many tasks listed. You need to click on them one by one and complete them. Once you complete all the tasks, the checking process will be completed. You need to wait for a while. The page will automatically redirect and you will see a message that says verification complete. After that, 1 million Robux will be credited to your Roblox account. Now, let me show you how to complete a task. Click on Get Big Rewards here. A new page will open and you need to wait for a few moments. Your IP and device location will appear. After that, wait for some time and the page will redirect again. On the new page, you need to register on the website. Once you complete the registration, go back to the previous page and your task will be completed. In the same way, you need to complete all the tasks. Once all tasks are done, the verification will be successful and 1 million Robux will be credited to your Roblox account. So, this was the first method to get unlimited Robux. However, some users say that this method is not working on their mobile or PC. So now let's talk about method 2. Method 2 is a bit long, step by step, and 100% real. We have made a separate video explaining it. You can find the link in the description.